So if there is a function f of x and it can be proved that f of x1 equal to f of x2 such that x1 equal to x2, then this kind of a function is called 1-1 function, or f of x1 equal to f of x2 only if x1 equal to x2. Then such a function is, in this case, it is a 1-1 function. So if I have a function like f of x equal to x square, and if I take my x1 equal to 1 and my x2 equal to -1, then I see that my x1 is not equal to x2, but still if I find my f of x1 which is equal to 1 and my f of x2 equal to -1, so in the case where my x1 is not equal to x2, still in that case my f of x1 equal to f of x2. So this kind of a function is called a 1-1 function, or it is not a 1-1 function because x1 is not equal to x2 and still f of x1 is equal to x2. And if I have a function f of x equal to 1 upon x, then 1 upon x1 equal to f of x1 and 1 upon x2 is equal to f of x2. So for my f of x1 is equal to f of x2, which can be written as 1 upon x1 equal to 1 upon x2. So if I cross multiply, then I will get x2 is equal to x1, where f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This kind of a function is called 1-to-1 function. Another example is f of x is equal to 8x1. F is a function of natural numbers, and if I have f of x1 equal to f of x2 is equal to 8x1 equal to 8x2, so again I can say that x1 is equal to x2. So again this is a 1-to-1 function. So this is how you can test for 1-to-1 function and prove that it is a 1-to-1 function or not a 1-to-1 function. So to simply show it graphically, if I have a function which can be graphically shown as this way. If I draw a horizontal line for this is y and this is x, suppose. So this is my x1 and this is my x2. So it cuts the graph at two places, more than once. So this is not 1-to-1. And if I have a function which can be shown by a graph like this is just an example. There could be many possible functions. So this is a one-to-one because a horizontal line will cut the graph only once at a specific x1, but it's not cutting at multiple places. So this is a one-to-one function. And such kind of function from what is known as one to many. And to more precisely define it, you can say that if my f of x1 equal to f of x2, then my x1 is equal to x2, and it is a one-to-one for every x1 and for every x2, such that x1 is not equal to x2 or f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. So this is what is known as my one-to-one function, which can be defined mathematically.